Welcome to Designer Digital's bi-weekly tip, November 18th, 2016. This week, how to use black and white papers as masks in Photoshop. Digital kits that contain black and white papers are so versatile. In the last tip, I showed you how to recolor the papers and how to use them as overlays to expand your creative options. Creating alpha channel masks from black and white papers is another technique that gives you even more possibilities. You can use the masks with patterned, textured, or solid designer papers. Here's how. Open a piece of black and white digital paper in Photoshop. Duplicate the paper by pressing Ctrl-J or on a Mac system Command-J on the keyboard. Rename the duplicated layer to mask. Just double-click on the name and rename it. Next, hide the background layer by clicking the layer visibility icon on the left side of the background layer. It looks like a little eyeball. Select the mask layer and then click the Channels tab in the Layers panel to create an alpha channel. The Channels tab is to the right of the Layers tab in the Layers panel. First off, you'll see several channels already. RGB, which is kind of a composite, red, green, and blue. Now normally I would tell you to choose the channel that had the most contrast, but because the papers are black and white, it doesn't really matter which channel you use. What you'll want to do is Control-click or on a Mac system Command-click one of the thumbnails to make a selection. Click Save Selection as Channel at the bottom of the Channels panel. This creates a new channel at the bottom of the panel called Alpha 1. Select that Alpha 1 layer, and then click the Layers tab to exit the Channels panel. You'll have a selection of marching ants around the pattern. This detailed selection contains all of the nuanced pattern information, and it's a whole lot more accurate than the quick mask or the magic wand function. At this point, the layer has kind of a red tint. From the menu bar, select Layer, Layer Mask, Reveal Selection. The mask layer becomes a pattern with a transparent background that can be used as a mask with digital papers. To use the mask, open two papers of coordinating digital paper. I'm going to open a light pink and a dark pink. On your patterned paper, select the hidden background layer and then use the Move tool to drag one of the papers onto the document, and it will come in right below the mask layer. You can use a paper like this, or you can select the mask layer and use the Move tool to drag the other paper onto the document. It will come in one layer above the mask. With the new paper selected, press Ctrl-Alt-G or on a Mac system Command-Option-G to clip the mask to the paper. Now you'll have a brand new piece of digital paper that perfectly matches any kit or anything that you're using. Try using one piece of pattern paper with a solid paper for a fun new look. The combinations are endless. Stock your digital supply stash with some of the black and white designs at the Designer Digital store to use this technique on your creative projects. You'll never have to worry about finding just the right pattern paper for your color scheme because you'll be able to mask a design to get exactly the look that you want. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check back in 2 weeks for the next Designer Digitals tip.